In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install the Deepseek AI assistant. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click on the search bar at the very top of the page. I type in Deepseek AI login and press enter to look up the platform on Google. From the search results that appear, I choose the first link, which takes me straight to the official Deepseek chat interface. Once the page loads, I navigate to the top right corner of the browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the main settings menu. I scroll down the menu options until I find Cast, Save, and Share, and hover over it to expand the options. From the submenu that appears, I select Install Page as App to initiate the installation process. A confirmation prompt pops up on the screen, verifying the details of the application. I then click on the blue Install button to proceed. The web page immediately transitions into a standalone application window, confirming the installation is complete. Now that the application is running, I want to test its capabilities, so I click inside the main message field at the bottom. I type out a comprehensive prompt asking the assistant to explain how Wi-Fi works and why internet speed sometimes becomes slow. After ensuring the text is correct, I click on the blue arrow icon on the right to send the query. The AI assistant quickly begins generating a detailed, structured response on the screen. It breaks down the information into clear sections, starting with the basics of how Wi-Fi functions. I can scroll through the comprehensive breakdown to see the full analysis provided by the assistant. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.